How to customize controls in Asphalt 8. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. You can customize the control layout in Asphalt 8 and make the game more comfortable to play. First of all, open the Asphalt 8 on your device and from the main lobby screen, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From the menu that appears on the screen, click on Controls. After you are inside this Controls tab, tap on Custom from the bottom and then drag and reposition the on-screen buttons to your preferred location. After you do that, click on OK and this will save your changes. So that's how you can easily customize your controls in Asphalt 8 step by step. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.